I'm sure you've seen this in the news about this strange signal that's being picked up from space, and this is the article. Psychic warns of an alien invasion on Earth after strange discovery 4,000 light years away. This image showed up on the Instagram account of this individual, and we're going to read what he says. My dear friends, a team mapping radio waves in the universe has discovered something unusual that releases a giant burst of energy 3 times an hour. And it's unlike anything astronomers have seen before. No doubt in my mind that this is connected to alien intelligence way, way superior than ours. Start deciphering their messages. They are preparing us for a mass landing soon. You can see here where it was loaded up onto this News 18 website. Right here, it was updated today. Let's read this. Claiming that aliens are preparing for a mass landing and might soon invade Earth after scientists discovered a massive source of energy in space, illusionist and self-proclaimed psychic Uri Geller has urged NASA to start deciphering their messages. He's warned of the imminent invasion through an Instagram post, which we just saw. And the article goes on to say that a team of scientists who were mapping the radio waves had discovered something unusual in space that released a giant burst of energy 3 times an hour. And it's unlike anything the astronomers have ever seen before. This astrophysicist, Dr. Natasha Hurley, said that she noticed it's appearing and disappearing over a few hours, and said it believes to have ultra-long period magnetar, which is not too far from our planet, and it's in our galactic backyard. It's a type of slowly spinning neutron star that has predicted to exist theoretically. And the doctor goes on to state that the mysterious source is somehow converting magnetic energy into radio waves way more effectively than anything else that scientists knew of. So this is interesting, but it also brings me to something else. It's reminding me of this Jewish prophecy with this star that they're looking for that's going to signal the arrival of the Messiah, located in the Cygnus constellation. You can see it right here. And I'm thinking they were expecting it at around March of this year. That's what it was said. You know, the rabbis went as far as writing a special Torah scroll written for the Messiah to hand to the Messiah when the Messiah comes. And they are certainly looking for his sign in the skies. So I'm wondering if this is tied into what they're seeing, this signal, because I'm serious. This is, something is just not right. And then you have NASA hiring priests. Why do they need to hire priests? To prepare humans for contact with aliens? What kind of aliens? Why would they go through the trouble of hiring a religious priest? And who are these priests? Are they certain sect of religion? That's the question also. We have this spinning neutron star that is expected to exist theoretically. They say it exists theoretically. So they're now getting a signal from it. They're getting signal bursts. Something's going on. So look, if alien life is found, how will religions in the world react to the news? Will there be any effect on the belief of religious people? NASA's trying to find answers to questions as such, and that's why they are hiring religious experts. This is too much. Okay, this is all. It's like something is adding up. I personally feel this is literally tied together. So whenever scientists receive radio waves from space, everyone gets curious to know whether they represent a message from aliens. Aliens can be ruled out at this time as astronomers think a neutron star or a white dwarf, a collapsed star. That's exactly what they're looking for. That's what the Rabbi Berger is looking for, the sign of the Messiah. Okay? This collapsed star, they say, is emitting radio waves. But the exact nature of the object is yet to be determined. They know exactly what it is. I'm thinking that This is what they are looking for. This is what the Jewish rabbis are looking for. This is what has been prophesied. So that's all. That's what I think is going on. And they're not telling us the whole truth. So NASA decides they're going to hire these priests in December of last year. And here we have this also right here. Humanity is soon to get fresh eyes in the sky. James Webb Space Telescope was launched on December the 26th. This will be humanity's main space telescope over the aging Hubble Space Telescope. We will soon be able to see the corners of the universe that were unobservable to us before this. Will we find alien spaceship flying in deep space? Time will soon tell. Okay, they're telling you, time will soon tell. So they launched this James Webb Telescope after, NASA hires the priests. And then voila, you got this James Webb Telescope, which you see right here. Isn't it quite lovely? Isn't it lovely? They launched this telescope after they hire the priests. Well, that's really interesting. I think so. And then a couple days ago, astronomers discover a spooky object emitting energy in space, and they don't know what it is. The burst would happen for 1 minute every 20 minutes before it would boom. You got the James Webb Telescope that got launched up there looking for alien life or a signal of life out there in space. I think we've got our signal. I think we know what it is. I think it's what the prophecy has been talking about. The Jewish rabbis are looking for the sign of their Messiah. I truly want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And please give this video a thumbs up. I think we're on to something. So with that being said, hello wherever you are in any part of the world. Hello from my heart to yours. Love you.